All right, so the database I found was United States Department of Agriculture, National Agriculture Library, and it's Agricola. So if you just click here about Agricola, it takes you into a um, little blip about what Agricola is, kind of what they do, and kind of talks about the database a little bit. So let's just see um, when we go to the catalog here, and then we can go back here to search for articles, and then here let's just type in soybean. And then there's 1,000 results found for soybeans. So acid hydrolysis in the spunny-rich extracts, quinoa, linten, fenugreek, and soybean. So that's not what we're looking for. So soybean proteins help. So let's just check this one out here. And so here we got the additional soybean protein involves saccharification and ethanol production from hydropolylethium proliferated sugar-based bagases. So the title is basically that. And if we look through here, there's really not much on the first page. So then we go to the next page here. Make this a little bit bigger. So here we got all the information, what it is. So that's just, we can just keep thumbing through here, and then it's just telling me basically the information of the soybean extractions. So now let's go back home and all this. If we click on one of the authors here, it's going to bring up a bibliography of who they are. And so now let's just go all the way back. So back to the Agricola page, and then we can go back to search for articles. And then, so basically it just told us the information about what was going on in the soybean extraction. We'll just search soybean again just for relatively. So as you can see, there's a lot of articles, and then let's just go to page 3. Assessment of using dried rice to replace meal in lamb's diet. Okay, so this is just talking about the lamb's diet, really, and then you can bear with me here. So this is just telling us a little bit about the database, and then let's go to full record here. So this is the full record. Here's the abstract, kind of a little bit of brief introduction and what it's found. So small ruminant animals. Ruminant's just a type of stomach. Um, so that's the full report, as it's not much, as you can see. So yeah, that's just a little bit about it. Thanks.